Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can swap Colonize Mars MARTIA for Wax. So the easiest way to do that is on a decentralized exchange, and the one that I prefer is Alcor Exchange. So you can head over to this website, wax.alcor.exchange. I'll put that in the description. Go to Markets, and you can find all the pairs here. So first one up is MARTIA Wax. So if you click on this, you'll see the price in the chart and all the buy and sell orders on the side here. And here you can actually trade it. So you can either set a market trade, which is just going to get it at the best available price, or you can do a limit trade to actually set what you want. And this is the easiest way to do it. So for example, you could, if I want to buy it, I can buy it for this is what it's selling for right now. I'll just do a market trade. And I could buy, I don't want much, so boom. Now I bought some MARTIA, and it's easy. Alternatively, you could sell it back, so now I can go 0.5 and sell my MARTIA. You just gotta sign. Boom. So that's how you can do that, and if you don't like Alcor for whatever reason, you can head to this other website, as well as using the swap tab here. The swap tab is a lot simpler if you don't want to see the chart. You can also use this website, wax.defibox.io. It's the same kind of thing. This one is always pushing the more simplified swap box right here. So you can use this. It's pretty good. This one just kind of a more pretty looking UI. You can also get the charts here if you go to markets. I don't see MARTIA at the top. Oops, MARTIA. And here you can find it. I don't know why it's not showing the graph, but oh, they actually don't let you set a limit price on this one. So really don't need anything other than this box here. Anyways, guys, if this helped you out, please leave a comment, and thank you.